wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best heated jackets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Venture Heat MC38 is a great choice for a biker. It'll fit under most outerwear with ease and connects directly to your motorcycle's 12-volt battery, meaning you can be warmed for as long as you need while riding your hog. It's made with lightweight materials and heats up quickly. However, of course, it's not practical for any other purposes. At number 9, the chic and stylish design of the Volt Cracow belies its highly functional nature. A lightweight lining, quilted shell, and efficient polyester fiber insulation should keep you toasty even without the multi-setting warmers turned on. It provides excellent heat retention along with lycra-lined thumb cutouts, but the battery doesn't last very long. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the dewbo soft shell has a more fitted look than many of these and comes in 9 colors, making it one of the more fashionable options. It's available in men's and women's styles and in sizes ranging from extra small to XXX large. It comes with an LED temperature indicator and a drawstring hood closure. However, note that the sizes tend to run small. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for heated jackets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the dewalt DCHJO66C1 is a smart choice for anyone working long shifts outdoors in the cold. It offers up to 7.5 hours of runtime and even features USB cable routing ports, so you can use its power to charge your cell phone. It's available in a wide variety of sizes, all with a water-resistant twill shell, but the battery pack is a little bulky. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're in search of something as trendy as it is warm, the Venture Heat Evolve Unisex might be right up your alley. It's a soft hoodie design made from a combination of cotton and polyester and features a heavyweight brushed fleece liner. It comes with a well-placed control button and elasticated cuffs to keep out cold air. It's safe to put in the dryer. Halfway up our list at number 5, the extremely versatile Bosch PSJ120M is something of a chameleon. It's flexible enough for use during exercise, stylish enough for wearing around town, and tough enough to withstand the abuse of physical labor. It's also highly wind resistant and equipped with 5 pockets and a belt holster for the battery. At number 4, the conqueco Women's Slim Fit is a good option for hiking, jogging, and other forms of outdoor exercise during the winter. It offers up to 10 hours of operation per charge when on its lowest setting and features a warm velvet interior. It comes with zippered pockets, waist-tightening straps, a battery and a charger. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, in addition to the standard black and a light grey, the Milwaukee M12 jacket kit is available in bright red to enhance visibility on busy job sites and 2 camo patterns for hunting. It's equipped with a high loft insulation that traps heat effectively too. It features independent heating zones, adjustable cuffs and waist, and a durable polyester exterior. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for heated jackets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you want something you can easily fit under larger coats, the affordably priced Arris vest is a suitable option. It comes with 3 panels of varying widths that you can zip in along the sides, allowing you to adjust the fit as needed. It delivers 5 temperature levels and warms the pockets. It's conveniently machine washable too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, with a removable hood and a high level of wind resistance, the Ororo soft shell is plenty warm even before you turn it on. It has 3 settings and features 3 carbon fiber heating elements strategically placed across core areas of the body. It comes with a soft fleece lining, a water-repellent exterior, and a USB port for charging devices. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for heated jackets, or simply click beneath this video.